How to remove Passkey from Google account. Let's get started with the video. First thing first, head over to your application Google Chrome. Once you're inside Google, click on this profile icon at the top right corner. Now click on this three dot icon right over here and click on Manage your Google account. Once you're in this section, head over to Security. Now you'll be able to see the option where it says Passkeys and Security Keys. Move into it. Now click on Continue. Now you can enable the face scan. Wait for a while. Well, you can see one passkey is available. In order for you to remove it, click on this icon. And then tap on Remove. And there you go, the passkey has been removed successfully. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.